Hello my pretties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing a product review and I'm going to be talking about the Derma Essentia Trichoedge anti-hair fall range. But before moving forward, I would like to give you an idea about what the brand believes in and basically a little quick introduction about the brand. So Derma Essentia believes in nature inspired quality products backed by science for the protection and nourishment of your skin and hair. So they do hair as well as skincare products which are clinically proven to give you optimum results and are derived with modern technology. And they've sent me their Triquet anti-hair fall range, which we're gonna be talking about in today's video. So if you wish to see, then continue watching. So the Triquet anti-hair fall range consists of a shampoo, conditioner as well as a hair serum, and I think this is a perfect solution to all your hair problems because I've been trying this range out for a couple of weeks and I have been loving the results. Perfect if you're dealing with issues like hair thinning, hair fall, dull damaged hair, frizzy hair, and this is going to keep all your hair problems away. So I would like to start by talking about the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. So you receive this pouch which is quite big, good quality. It has this plastic thing and it's just perfect to put in all your stuff, hair care stuff, and you get these 3 products inside. Very good quality and it's very convenient for your travel purposes because you can just put in all your hair care products inside and take it along, hassle free, on the go. Then I have the Triquet anti-hair fall shampoo which has quercetin, which is great for your blood circulation, stimulates the blood circulation, which in turn helps in promoting hair growth. It also has horsetail extract, which is a natural treatment for hair growth as it has vitamins and minerals. Additionally, it has rosemary extract that stimulates your scalp, thereby promoting healthy hair growth. It also has provitamin B5 and caffeine that helps in maintaining healthy scalp circulation and moisturizes hair by improving moisture retention. Next, I have the Triquet Deep Nourishing Hair Conditioner, which has 4 important ingredients, and one of them is shea butter, which is great for your flaky scalp and dryness. It helps to prevent the hair from drying out and becoming brittle. It also moisturizes dry scalp and reduces flakiness due to dryness. Another ingredient in the conditioner is horsetail extract, which has anti-inflammatory properties, moisturizing as well as cleansing properties. So it basically speeds up the repair of connective tissues, helps with your split ends, and also improves the strength and elasticity of your hair. Lastly, I have the Triquet anti-hair fall serum, which basically is a hair growth serum that helps rejuvenate your scalp hair follicles. It helps in limiting hair loss and ensuring optimum hair growth. So this intensive hair regrowth serum stimulates hair from root to tip and balances scalp feeling toned, exhilarated, free from dryness and irritation. Predominantly, the hair regrowth serum has 3 ingredients, which is Moroccan argan oil, Brazilian pracaxi oil, and vitamin E. The Brazilian oil basically locks moisture, provides hydration, and gives you shiny hair. Moroccan argan oil, on the other hand, protects hair from environmental heat, repairs heat damaged hair, and also helps with your frizz and flyaways. Moreover, vitamin E supports the scalp and gives your hair a strong base to grow from by reducing oxidative stress and preserving the protective lipid layer of your hair. Also, I washed my hair today, so I'll just show you how to apply this serum. So you need a few drops, and all you want to do is just it has a beautiful smell, very fresh, and that's how you get instant shiny, frizz-free. So you just saw how it settled all my flyaways, and I love this serum. You guys need to check this product out. I'll keep all the bindings in the description. So if you wish to check out these products, go to the links in my description and shop from there. Also, I love how non-oily and non-tacky or non-greasy this serum is. You just need few drops and you get this shiny frizz-free hair. Also, the Triquet anti-hair fall range is suitable for both men and women. It's clinically proven, dermatologically tested. All the ingredients are natural and safe. They are free from sulfates and parabens. Lightweight formula, non-greasy, non-oily, and non techy as well. So I would recommend you guys to get your hands on these products and try out this range if you are also dealing with hair fall, hair thinning, and dull damaged hair. I think this is a perfect solution to all your hair problems, so you should definitely check these products out. And that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.